Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone!
Welcome to Day 2 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
Yesterday, you learned how to introduce yourself in English.
And today, we're going one step further.
Today, you will learn how to ask and answer simple questions.
These are the kinds of questions you need in real conversations. When you meet someone new, when you travel, or when you want to keep the conversation going.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
Let's start with one of the most important questions and repeat them.
You can ask, "What's your name?"
What's your name? Pause. And the answer is, my name is Emma.
My name is Jake.
Pause.
Very useful.
Now let's learn another important question.
You can ask, "Where are you from?"
Where are you from? Pause. And the answer is, I'm from Spain. Pause.
I'm from the UK.
Pause. Great. These two questions already help you start a real conversation.
And in the next part, we're going to add more simple questions you can use right away.
So stay with us, and let's continue.
Now let's continue with more simple questions.
These questions are very common and very useful in everyday English.
Let's start with this one. How are you?
How are you? This is one of the most common questions in English. People use it all the time.
And you can answer in a very simple way. For example, "I'm fine, thank you."
I'm fine, thank you.
Or, "I'm good, thanks."
I'm good, thanks.
Very natural.
Very easy.
Now let's learn another question. You can ask, "How old are you?"
How old are you? And the answer is, I'm 20 years old.
"I'm 25 years old."
Of course, you can change the number.
Just use your real age.
Now, let's keep going. Here is another useful question.
You can ask, "What do you do?"
What do you do?
This question means, "What is your job?" Or, "What do you study?"
You can answer like this. I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
Or, I work in an office.
I work in a shop. Simple answers are perfect.
You do not need long or difficult sentences. Now, let's put some of these questions together. Listen carefully.
Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. That is a real conversation. Short, simple, and useful.
And you can use it in real life. At school, at work, or when you meet someone new.
In the next part, we're going to practice these questions together.
So stay with us, and let's continue.
Now let's practice together.
Listen and repeat after us. What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Jake.
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
I'm from Spain.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm fine, thank you.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
I'm a student. Great.
Now let's do a short conversation one more time.
Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Very good. Now try it with your own answers.
Say your name.
Say where you are from,
Say how you are.
and say what you do.
Excellent. You are already building real conversations in English.
And this is only day 2.
Tomorrow, we're going to talk about your daily routine in English.
So you can speak about your day in a simple and natural way.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 3.
See you tomorrow.